The most expensive homes in the United States have one thing in common: large sliding doors. The best million-dollar homes all have the best sliding doors with Syncor inside. The Sing large sliding door is the only lightweight, high-strength, large sliding door guaranteed to remain warp-free for 50 years. Any large sliding door. Any size sliding door. Made of any flat building material. Guaranteed true flat. Warp free for 50 years. Could be in your home. Visit Syncor.com for more information.